Meda Bongza posted a disturbing video which left his fans shocked. Hi, YouTube family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. But then Bumkosi, we all know Meda Bongza and we love his music and mostly his crazy dance moves and how much energy he puts whenever he is performing. But then Bumkosi, Meda Bongza was performing in Cape Town and then he later on posted a very disturbing video on his Instagram showing his face full of blood, Bathandi Bomkosi, with no further explanation but a text which stated that he is in between quitting or rather leaving the music industry, which left his fans in serious shock. Because I bandla, that video was indeed disturbing. He looked sad and he had blood all over his face. You bandla iyathusa leya video. But people started speculating and making their own conclusions, stating that I bandla he might have fought with DJ Zinhle. Imagine how people are already judging DJ Zinhle and trying to connect dots that were not even connecting. But others stating that it might have happened that DJ Zinhle caught him cheating and then she murdered him. Imagine, betunana, hayi bandla Mzansi niney'nkulumo impela. This is indeed shocking, but because it shows people that definitely waiting for Meda Bongza and DJ Zinhle to fall. Hayi into ehle yona akuyona into abayithandayo. Imagine making speculations without having the full idea of what is currently happening, because Meda Bongza did not specify on what happened exactly that led to him bleeding like that, and his fans have been begging him to release a statement because they care, and they are shocked on what actually happened that night. Please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.